Welcome back, everyone. It's rifle season here in PA, and after totally striking out in archer season, I am ready to put some meat in the freezer. That means there's not going to be a whole lot that's off the table. Dad asked me if I wanted to go to camp. I said, I sure do. So we got up early and we headed to camp, and it turns out it was snowing, like a lot. So stay tuned and see what happens. Well, guys, as you can see, we are all bundled up. It is snowing good up here, and I don't think it's supposed to stop for like 3 hours. I mean, we should be able to sit it out, and hopefully something comes through here, moving through the snow. I haven't hunted in this kind of snow in a while, but I love the snow, so I'm excited to be out here today. Now, it continued to snow for about the next 2 hours, and absolutely no deer were moving. That was until I heard some guys about 200 yards away from me putting on a drive. I thought they were crazy for doing that in the snow, but they did the drive, and then this happened. I think he's down. I think we got him, guys. I think we got him. Let's freaking go. I think I saw him go down. Oh, guys, we just shot a buck. There were some guys that came over here pushing out this thick patch. And they had kind of worked their way through. And all of a sudden, I actually heard them coming, which I was not expecting for a day like today. I turned around and I heard him coming, and they were right behind me. And the buck stopped like right behind me. And the two does were right here just walking. And I don't know if he was looking at me or what, but all of a sudden he took off running. But they were running that way, so he was basically running dead away from me. And I think I saw him go down. But we're gonna get stuff packed up, get down out of the tree, go down to where I shot, and see if we can find him. Let's go, guys. Let's freaking go. I'm pretty sure he kicked pretty hard, so I'm pretty hopeful. Let's go. All right, guys, we're down out of the tree. I did reload my gun. I put some more bullets in it just in case something weird happened. But we're just gonna walk over here, find their tracks, and follow those down to where he should be at, and hopefully we find some blood. All right. That was that other little deer that came through those tracks. Where'd they come down? Oh, let's just go this way. Yeah, because the other tracks are in here too. I mean, he was running, so I don't know if these are his tracks, whose tracks these are exactly. We're just gonna follow these ones for now. Oh, there's hair and blood. Oh, it's not great though. All right, well. See where we're at. Oh, that was starting to bleed more. He's bleeding. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know where I hit him, but he's bleeding good. This snow makes it really easy to track. Oh, he's pumping. Right there he is. Right there he is. Let's go. Oh my gosh. It has been a heck of a season. Oh, there he is. Oh, there he is. Oh, he might. Oh, heck yeah. He's not a giant. Oh, but I'm so happy. Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much. Oh, guys, it has been. Oh, I spent so much time in the woods this year. Oh, thank you, Lord. Well, now we gotta get him taken care of. Real quick, I snapped a couple pictures, and then I put my tag on them. Then I took care of getting them all gutted out. Then I snapped a couple more pictures. We are back up in the tree, as you can see. The buck's all taken care of, but it's still early, and I still have a doe tag. I figured might as well sit it out, see what happens, but I'll keep you updated, and we're just gonna hang out for a bit. What do you think, guys? Should we celebrate with some donuts? So good. Don't mind my hands. If this grosses you out, you shouldn't be deer hunting. I didn't end up seeing anything the rest of the day except for this guy. And then around 4 o'clock, I got all my stuff packed up and we got down out of the tree. All right, guys. Well, it's about 4:15, about 45 minutes of light left. I just got down out of the tree. I'm gonna take some layers off. And then we're gonna go down and start dragging that buck. It's about 1,000 yards to the truck, so it's gonna take me a while. So we're gonna get started and I'll keep you updated. This is around this guy's head. Oh, I'm surprised I got enough rope with how wide his spread is. How big he is. All right. The airport's north, so we gotta go that way. I did grab my headlamp out of my bag. That way if it was dark, I had it. All right, I'll talk to you if I make it out alive. Well, guys, as you can see, it's the next day. I made it out of the woods after a really long drag. We got the buck hung up. I'm gonna get him skinned out, cut up, put in the freezer. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit subscribe and follow along for the next adventure.